Happy daylight savings time. Today we're doing 796 rotate string. Given two strings s and goal, return true if and only if s can become goal after some number of shifts on s. A shift on s consists of having of moving the leftmost character of s to the rightmost position. For example, if s is A B C D E, then it will become B C D E A after one shift. Yeah. So one common thing anytime you had to deal with a cycle is recognizing that if you just double the string, then all permutations of the cycle will be in there. Because if you just shift it, yeah, just double it, and yeah, you get the same thing. So if we want, right away, we could just say s times equals 2, and then we could just say return goal in s. That would work. But we'd also need to make sure that goal is long enough, or that goal is short enough. So if s is longer, then if the length of s is longer than the length of goal, then we have a problem. Yeah. Nice. That might be our quickest problem yet. Yeah. Yeah. Have a good day, everyone.